All right, in this video, what I'm going to talk about is your mindset on a date, right? Today, I was speaking to one of my clients and he said, you know, when I'm on a date, I'm feeling nervous. I'm feeling a bit anxious. I'm not myself. And I said, what's your mindset? You know, because if you're going on that date just for the result, just because you want to, I don't know, sleep with a kiss or whatever, you are going to be nervous because you want an outcome. You have an outcome in mind, right? But instead, if you go into the date with this mindset, which is you're going in just to make a mistake because you want to learn from it. You're all about the learning. What's that going to do? That's going to relax you. That's going to make you become more free. Why? Because you don't have an outcome in mind. When you don't have an outcome in mind, you're not going to be nervous. Right? The reason we get nervous is because we're attached to the result. You know, like I really want to sleep with that girl. You know, I really like that girl. I don't want to make a mistake, and that's where the nervousness comes from. Because actually, I'll tell you a quick story. I was on a date with a very, very attractive girl, and everyone was looking at her, and that kind of made me nervous. You know, I wasn't used to a situation where there's so much attention on her, and that made me nervous. And then I thought to myself, you know, I'm just here to make a mistake. That's why I'm doing this, because I want to learn. I'm all about the skill set, right? And what happened? She loved me, right? She really enjoyed my company because I was myself, and I don't mean the myself like the one you hear. The fake myself. I'm talking about the actual myself. You know, hi, I'm with my friends, right? I just have a laugh. I'm enjoying myself. Yes, of course. I'm still taking it to the right place, right? I'm still escalating. I'm still doing some structures that make her comfortable with me, and I'm escalating all that. That's different, right? And that's for a different video. But what I'm saying here is about the mindset. Next time you go on a date, what is your mindset? Is it to, you know, like to just get the results because you like her so much? Are you so much attached to the outcome? Or you're just going on that date just to learn something, you know? Something my mentor told me is every time you go on a date or every time you speak to a girl, try to make a mistake on purpose so you can learn from it, right? Just remember that. All right. If you enjoyed this video, click the thumbs up. If you have any questions regarding dates, comment below. I'm going to make future videos, and make sure you subscribe to the channel because we're going to be releasing a video every week, Thursday, 5 p.m. London time. All right, Oxford Circus, baby. Yeah.